we started composting to reduce the food waste that would have been in our trash can, tempting little animals to come inside of it. Instead, we pour food scraps, and this is coffee grinds, into this open container, and then once a day to every other day, I'll take it out to our composter, pour it in and rotate it, or if it has no animal products in it, meaning no bones and no fat and no dairy, then I'll take it to our worm composting, because we've created a worm area with cardboard, grass, leaves, and food scraps with non-meat material in it for little wormies to grow. So this is one way that we benefit the soil in our yard without having to buy fancy soil for the grass to grow and the clover. We can just compost and then allow that to naturally release the nutrients into our soil instead of buying a bunch of various things to try to force the soil to heal. We're naturally allowing it to heal with the byproduct that comes from cooking and enjoying good food. So, small steps.